Is your Devolo extender not performing as it should? Maybe you've forgotten your password. In this quick guide, we'll show you the simple steps to factory reset your Devolo range extender. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate the reset button. Find a small recessed hole on the front or side of the device beside WPS button. Step 2. Perform the reset. First, plug in Devolo range extender to power and turn on it. Now use paperclip or pen and press and hold the button for 10 seconds and release when extender LED light start blinking. The extender will now reboot itself. This may take a minute or two. Once it's complete, all settings, including your Wi-Fi names and passwords, will be erased and restored to factory defaults. Set up it again using WPS button. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.